Good morning. I am B.Renuga Devi. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to Business Administration Department. Last video we discussed about the some important concept under the demand. Okay, the same continuation about that video. Now we are start with the determinants of demand. Okay. So when we are supposed to face the demand at the time, what are the main determinants involved or some factors influencing the demand concept. Okay, when we talking about the demand, can you tell about what are the factors influencing the demand? Students, when we are supposed to purchase any product or services, okay, at the time we are going to consider, or we are going to make the some important concept or some factors will be considering the demand concept. Okay, first we talking about the price of the product. Okay, so whenever we are purchasing any items, we have to consider the price is the very important. Okay, that people, when we are going to purchase the one particular item, okay, whether it is in a grocery item or some any eatable items or any purchasing automobiles, okay, either the car or electronic items, whatever it is, first we consider what is the price. Okay, so based on the price only, our particular desirance of the product will purchasing will be differ. Okay, do you clear? First, price is the very important concept when we are going to purchase the product. Okay, we take any example. Okay, whenever we are going to purchase, immediately we are asking that particular shopkeeper, we are asking the price. Okay, what is the price for this? Okay, so the price is the main parameter to make decision if all other factors might be remaining constant or equal. According to the demand law, it implies that an increase in demand follows a reduction in price, and also the decrease in demand automatically it follows an increase in the price of the similar goods. Okay, this is the main concept. Okay, so that reciprocal of proportions, and also the demand curve might be based on the demand schedule also will be help determine the demand quantity at price level. Okay, so the inelastic demand implies that the robust changes, okay, automatically will be making the quantity accompanied by the changes in price. Similarly, in elastic demand implies that volume does not change much, each and every product will be when there is a change in price. Do you clear? Okay, next important point while we are going to consider in the second main important factor is income of the consumer. Okay, so based on the consumer's income, automatically that particular demand of the product also will be different, either it is increase or decrease. Okay, you might be asking a question. Okay, how it is influencing the income is one of the factor to consider the demand of the product. Okay, once the rising the income, automatically it lend to rise in the number of goods demanded by the consumer. Similarly, in case of any dropout in the income, it is accompanied by reduce the consumption level. Okay, suppose if we are not receiving the income or any salary, if not receive in a particular date, automatically we are committed to reduce our consumption. We didn't purchase any items. Okay, this is the relation between the income and the demand is not a linear in nature. Okay, so the marginal utility determines the proportion of changes in the particular demand of level. Next, prices of related of goods and services. So that also one of the main factor considering the purchase of the particular goods and services. Okay, the increase in the price of one product, it will be cause the decrease in the quantity demand. Next, consumer expectation. So based on the consumer expectation, the higher income are expecting an increase to price of the goods will lead to an increase in the quantity. Okay, number of buyers in the market. Okay, so based on the number of buyers, it also will be major effect on the total or net demand. Okay, as the number of increases, the demand rises. It is true irrespective of changes in the price of the commodity.